If you run a business that involves complex calculations, financial planning, engineering, insurance, pricing, anything where numbers matter, there is a content strategy that consistently drives traffic, generates leads, and keeps visitors on your website longer than almost anything else. Interactive online calculators, people search for them constantly. Mortgage calculators, retirement planners, ROI estimators, energy cost tools, loan comparisons. When someone finds a calculator that actually answers a question they are wrestling with, they use it, they bookmark it, and they come back. Here is the thing most businesses miss. You probably already have the logic for one of these tools. It is sitting in an Excel file on someone's desktop right now. The formulas work, the calculations are solid. The only problem is getting it onto the web. And historically, that meant hiring a developer, rebuilding everything from scratch in code, and spending weeks or months doing it. SpreadsheetWeb removes that barrier entirely. This is a retirement savings calculator built in Excel. Current age, retirement age, rate of return. The outputs show how much you'll have invested, how much you'll have earned, and your total at retirement. Behind it all, there's a full calculation table driving everything. Hundreds of interconnected formulas. Change one input and the entire model recalculates instantly. Solid, well-built logic. Took real time and expertise to create. The problem is it's trapped in a file. Here's the same calculator as a web application. Inputs on the left, current age, annual payments, rate of return, retirement income target, all editable fields. On the right, results update instantly. What you'll have at retirement, what you'll need. The gap between the two, shown visually as a chart. Watch what happens when we adjust the rate of return and drop the income target. The chart reshapes in real time. The numbers recalculate automatically. The same Excel formulas are running in the background. The user just never sees them. No spreadsheet knowledge required. No file to download. At the bottom, a full summary. Years until retirement. Total invested, total earned, and the final balance. Everything the original spreadsheet calculated, now in a clean interface that anyone can use from any device. Think about what just happened there. A complex financial model that previously lived in an Excel file is now a web tool anyone can use from any device in any browser without downloading anything or knowing anything about spreadsheets. The formulas are completely hidden. The underlying Excel file is protected, and the user gets a clean, intuitive experience that actually helps them make a decision. For the business, this works on two levels. First, it drives organic traffic. A well-built retirement calculator ranks for search terms your target audience is already searching for. That is inbound traffic with no ad spend. Second, and this is the part most people don't think about, it captures leads at exactly the right moment. When someone is running your retirement calculator, they are not browsing. They are actively engaged with a financial question that is real and personal to them. That is the best possible moment to ask for their contact information, which is exactly what this calculator does. The user enters their email and hits submit. They get a confirmation that their detailed retirement report is on its way. That is a lead, and not a cold one. This is someone who just told you their age, their income, their current savings, and exactly what financial outcome they are working toward. That kind of information takes a sales conversation to uncover. Here, the calculator does it for you. On the back end, every submission is stored in SpreadsheetWeb Hub. Every user who ran the calculator, their inputs, and the date and time they submitted, all in one place. If you want to look at a specific person's scenario, you click in and see everything they entered and what results they received. The full context of that lead, ready to act on. This is not a hypothetical. Businesses are already doing this with SpreadsheetWeb. If you have a calculator, a pricing tool, an estimator, or any model built in Excel that your customers or prospects would find useful, you are one step away from turning it into a lead generation asset. The link to try it free is in the description. Upload your file and see what it looks like in minutes. SpreadsheetWeb, where Excel meets web apps.